Hello everyone. In an unfortunate turn of events, one half of the WWE Women's Tag Team Champions, Liv Morgan, picked up an injury in a singles match with Kairi Sane, doing damage to her shoulder that will leave her on the shelf for what is expected to be up to 6 months, according to Bodyslam.net, with PW Insider also noting that she will need surgery further, even more than notion that she will be out for a while. Despite Morgan riding a wave of momentum, this is not necessarily the end of the world, and there are various ways in which WWE can approach the situation in order to make the most out of a bad thing, and we shall take a look at some of those avenues now. Prior to her shoulder injury, Liv Morgan was involved in more than one storyline, one of which was involving Roxanne Perez. Ever since her official main roster call-up, Perez has been trying to earn favor in the Judgment Day faction to woo over Dominic Mysterio and ultimately serve as an annoyance to Liv Morgan. Not only has Paris created friction within the group itself, she has also created some issues between Mysterio and Morgan. There is no reason why this cannot continue in Morgan's absence. In fact, the storyline might even be better for it. In 2024, an ill-timed injury to Rhea Ripley allowed Liv Morgan to flourish on Monday Night Raw, continuing to try and seduce Mysterio and create issues within the Judgment Day before ultimately forcing her way into the group and making Mysterio turn on Ripley. Despite Ripley being off WWE TV, the storyline was highly entertaining, full of death, and fans were desperate to see Ripley return and take chunks out of Morgan. Although a feud between Morgan and Perez might not be the exact same in terms of intensity and fan interest, WWE can further build Perez as a top heel, earning heat in Morgan's absence and ensuring that fans are invested in seeing Morgan return and mix it up with Perez. Her absence can have a similar sort of impact as Ripley's did in 2024 in terms of building hatred, heat, anticipation, and intrigue over what Judgment Day and Dominic Mysterio will do next. Another way that WWE can approach Morgan's injury is to take the CM Punk approach. In 2024, CM Punk was injured in the Royal Rumble match and didn't wrestle again until SummerSlam. Despite this, Punk remained a constant presence on WWE programming to build his feud with Drew McIntyre, cut plenty of promos, and engage in as much physically as he could within the constraints of his injury. This allowed the bad blood with McIntyre to build and build, becoming WWE's best storyline of the entire year due to fans having to wait for their eventual matches with one another. Liv Morgan versus Roxanne Perez will be unlikely to achieve that exact level of investment and intrigue, but with the right booking, promos, and storytelling, using Morgan in a non wrestling capacity could build a lot of anticipation for a match down the line. Additionally, Morgan feels like such a vital part to Dominic Mysterio's current character and vice versa. So keeping them together on screen will help Mysterio in his current singles run as Intercontinental Champion. There are reports from the likes of WrestleVotes and Fightful Select that suggest WWE has ripped up plans for the upcoming Evolution Premium Live event after Liv Morgan's injury. This is due to the plan seemingly seeing Liv Morgan and Raquel Rodriguez defend the WWE Women's Tag Team titles against Nikki and Brie Bella. The idea of WWE scrapping plans and starting again does feel unnecessary. However, as there is an easy fix to make the most out of Morgan's injury, simply replace her with Roxanne Perez. Judgment Day selecting Perez to replace Morgan would add to the ongoing tension and storyline, especially if WWE kept Morgan on screen to sell that annoyance. Perez is not at the level of star as Liv Morgan, but giving this younger and newer name this sort of spotlight against the Hall of Fame Bella Twins would be a hugely beneficial thing for a WWE career. WWE should trust the strong year that Perez has had so far, starting out with a record breaking Royal Rumble performance before getting called up to Raw, and give her the ball to carry on from where Morgan left off in the feud with Nikki and Brie Bella. So guys, these all are the news and updates for this video. Before leaving, do like, share and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. We will meet in our next video. Till then, thanks for watching.